When you think of modern aviation-inspired watches, there's one design that instantly stands out: the square case with the round dial from Bell & Ross. And now, the brand has introduced a fresh new version that might be one of the cleanest BR-03 models yet. This is the new Bell & Ross BR-03 Green Steel. The BR-03 collection has been around for almost 20 years and has become one of the most recognizable sports watch designs in the industry. Originally launched in 2006 as a smaller alternative to the oversized BR-01, the collection received a major refresh in 2023 with a slimmer 41mm case and a thinner overall profile. Since then, Bell & Ross has experimented with several dial variations, including blue, copper, and even white and gold models. But this new green edition feels a little different. It's more refined, less technical, and honestly, more versatile for everyday wear. As the name suggests, the star of the show is the dial. The watch features a sun-ray green dial with a darker gradient around the edges, finished with a glossy lacquer coating. Depending on how the light hits it, the dial shifts from bright metallic green to a deeper forest tone, giving the watch a lot more visual depth than you might expect. And unlike many green watches that try too hard to stand out, this one feels surprisingly elegant. But the biggest change isn't actually the color, it's the layout. Most BR-03 models have a strong instrument panel look with a detailed minute track surrounding the dial. Here, Bell & Ross removes that entirely. Instead, the BR-03 Green Steel uses applied numerals and minimalist Beyond-War-style hour markers, creating a much cleaner and less cluttered appearance. The result is a watch that feels less like cockpit equipment and more like a contemporary luxury sports watch. Legibility is still excellent, though. The hands and markers are filled with white Superlumina X1 that glows green in low light, so you still get that functional tool watch DNA. The case itself remains unchanged from the updated BR-03 design introduced in 2023. It measures 41mm across and just 9.65mm thick, making it much more wearable than older Bell & Ross models. The stainless steel case combines brushed and polished finishes, while the signature 4 screws on the bezel keep the industrial aesthetic intact. You also get 100 meters of water resistance and a sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Inside the watch is the BR-Cal 302-1 automatic movement, based on the reliable Sellita Swept 300. It runs at 28,800 vibrations per hour and delivers a strong 54-hour power reserve. Functionally, things stay simple, with hours, minutes, central seconds, and a date display. The watch comes fitted on a black calfskin leather strap, and Bell & Ross also includes an additional black synthetic fabric strap in the box. Pricing for the new BR-03 Green Steel is set at €3,990. Overall, this might be one of the most balanced BR-03 releases in years. It keeps the bold identity of Bell & Ross while introducing a cleaner and more sophisticated personality through the simplified dial design. So, what do you think about the new BR-03 Green Steel? Is this the best modern Bell & Ross release so far? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more watch reviews and luxury watch news.